want something that is actually useful with, by engineer to engineer. So with all the things that we like, because a lot of new things happen around Kubernetes. Carpenter, service mesh, Istio, a lot of AI, because Kubernetes and AI goes hand to hand. QComp, I heard about LinkedIn being able to manage 500,000 server using Kubernetes, enabling the next version of AI, as well also the CERN, the big, large IO leader, generate a lot of data that we need to process. So well, I know it's kind of intimidating the size, but believe me, I was cutting out so many things. Also about the WebAssembly, a lot of new technologies happen around Kubernetes. So this is why Greg and I decided to create this, that is more a cookbook. So if you're not familiar, it's kind of like, you can copy and paste and use it. Something that there is one guy tested all the code of his book. So it's not like going to Stack Overflow, doing some random things and hope that it works. So this is the idea behind this book. And feel free to come by, take a look on the book. This is literally a copy that arrived on my hand 1 week ago. So I was sharing also in other Kubernetes event in Tanix, and I'm more than happy